if you're confused and don't know which resources to use for passing your AWS certification exam, don't worry. I was there at one point and did not know where to start. So these are the 5 courses that you can use to get started, like I did to pass my 2 AWS certifications, and currently using them for preparing for others as well. Now, these are my personal honest reviews. I'm not being sponsored by anyone here. So let's get started with the most used resource, Udemy. It is used by many learners, and this is one of the resources that I use consistently. Udemy has many courses taught by excellent people, for example, Neil Davis or Stephen Marek, and many others. But I personally like Stephen Marek's courses because of his teaching style. Courses are video-based content where he first goes over the topic theoretically, followed by a video which shows how it is actually done in AWS environment that even you can follow. I know Stephen constantly makes changes to these courses to keep them up to date with exam criteria and guidance. Now, as you're aware, there is a fee associated with Udemy courses, but they're heavily discounted throughout the years. So you can find Stephen's course on average between 15 to 20 pounds. Second is a free code camp. If you haven't come across them, please check their YouTube channel out. They cover a wide range of topics from programming language tutorials to entire computer science subject classes taught by subject matter expert. Yes, I said entire classes. There are 24-hour long, extremely useful course packed with knowledge. People at Free Code Camp have also created materials that can help you prepare for your AWS exams, like Cloud Practitioner and Associate Solutions Architect exam, which is extremely well taught. Only caveat to using this resource is that the courses might be a bit outdated, as exam criteria has changed over the time and will continue to do so. However, you can easily identify the areas which are not covered by going over the exam guide provided by AWS and preparing for those topics separately. Even though there is a bit of an extra work associated with Free Code Camp resource, I would still recommend it if you're looking for a free and easily available resource, like I was when I started my learning journey. Third is AWS Skill Builder. This is a candy store for you if you want to learn about AWS and cloud concepts that are relevant to AWS. Now, you can definitely find courses that can help you prepare for your exam, but not only that, you also get access to over 600 plus courses and one Cloud Quest course, which is a gamified learning environment for beginners with access to AWS Sandbox environment, where you get a hands-on experience of using AWS services. And you also get a badge upon completing that course. Now, there are also other courses which gives you badge upon completion. If you are interested in learning more about it, check out the video that I created on this topic. I'll leave the link in the description. So this is a great resource as it is maintained by AWS, giving you the peace of mind that it will be up to date with the exam criteria. And it's free. The fourth is AWS Skill Builder subscription version. Now, if you can buy it, I would recommend it because for one main reason, access to 100 plus labs. This lab will help you gain practical experience of using AWS services. Yes, learning it theoretically is great, but hands-on experience will make that learning process much more effective. It also comes with several other perks like official practice exams, enhanced exam prep courses with practical materials. In all honesty, I did not use this when I was a student or started my learning journey, simply because I wasn't aware of it. But had I known about it, I would have definitely used it for the practical experience. However, I do use this tool a lot now. Finally, the last is Adrian Cartell's course. I hope I'm pronouncing his surname right. By far the most expensive course that I'm recommending. And in all honesty, I haven't tried it just yet, but I hear nothing but excellent reviews. I know one colleague who used Adrian Cartell's material extensively to pass all 12 AWS certifications. So this clearly indicates that the courses are well structured and packed with AWS knowledge. Personally, I think there are 2 great things that I would appreciate about his course. First, it is scenario-based learning experience, where you look at AWS services from a company perspective and understand how they are used to solve real-world problems. Second, he goes beyond what is required from an exam perspective. so that you have a surrounding knowledge of AWS, giving you a wider perspective. As I said, I haven't used this course just yet, but I'm planning to do so and provide my experience and review down the line. Now, we covered 5 resources, and you can literally pick any of them to get started with your preparations. Now, if you're planning to take your exam anytime soon, then watch out my video where I created a framework that can help you pass your exam in just 3 weeks. So thank you so much for watching, guys. I'll see you in the next one. Take care.